In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your Pinterest profile settings effectively. Whether you're new to the platform or just looking to fine-tune your profile, I'll be walking you through each step in detail to help ensure your privacy settings reflect your preferences. Let's start by opening Pinterest. You can do this easily by typing the URL into your browser or clicking on the Pinterest icon if you have the app installed on your device. Once Pinterest is open, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not, take a moment to enter your credentials and gain access to your profile. When you're successfully logged in, locate your profile icon. This usually appears as a small circle with your profile picture in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select the option that says View Profile. Clicking here will take you directly to your personal Pinterest space where all your boards and pins are visible. Now, to proceed with editing your profile settings, look for the Edit Profile button. It's typically a button located near your profile name and picture. Clicking this button will take you to a new page where you can alter your profile information, providing you with the flexibility to update your name, bio, location, and other personal details. Our focus today, however, is on privacy and data settings. So on the Edit Profile page, you'll want to scroll down until you locate the Privacy and Data section. This segment of your settings is crucial as it manages what kind of information Pinterest collects and how it uses it. Within the Privacy and Data section, there's an option related to what's known as GenAI. What you need to do here is uncheck the box next to GenAI. This action will ensure that your data is not used for generative AI purposes, a privacy preference that some users may prioritize. Simply click within the box to deselect it, thereby preventing Pinterest from using your data in this way. Once you've unchecked the GenAI box, you're all set. This small yet significant adjustment aligns your privacy settings with your individual preferences, allowing for a more personalized Pinterest experience. It's always a good idea to regularly review these settings as platforms often update their features and policies. Congratulations, you've successfully navigated and customized your Pinterest profile settings. By taking these steps today, you've enhanced your privacy and tailored the platform to better suit your needs. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need a refresher. Happy pinning!